Are the old WaveBlaster2s fun? Well, the WaveBlaster2 was a more domesticated version of the WaveBlaster. The WaveBlaster was an answer to the X2. The X2 was really squirrely. Kawasaki made the X2 based upon the old 550 stand-up. All right. And it had a little Schwinn bicycle seat, very skinny little narrow seat. You actually never really sat on it. You kind of, actually, they really wanted you to ride it on your knees, which was not my favorite. But the X2 came out and was an absolute riot. Wave jumper, wake jumper. It was a bitchin' ski. And there's a reason why there's knockoffs built to this day. It's because the WaveBlaster made that big of an impact. And it was only around for like 3 years. And the WaveBlaster 2 was kind of Yamaha going, hey, why don't we make it a little bit easier to get on? Why don't we make it so that a guy can bring his girlfriend with them or a kid? Let's make it a little bit more domesticated. And when they did that, they kind of defanged the ski. But all that being said, WaveBlaster 2, especially compared to what we have today, is a very fun, very loose ski. It's a riot. So yeah, I would say if you can get your hands on one that's in good shape, totally go for it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.